Hey everybody, it's Melissa Speaks, and I'm going to show you how to upload a catalog, a brochure, a flyer, whatever you need up to Issuu. So Issuu is just going to give you a digital link for any kind of PDF that you can upload. So you're going to go to your Issuu account, ISSUU, create an account, and hit this upload button. You are going to select file to upload, and we're just going to put in catalog, and we're just going to pick any catalog. So we're going to upload this file. We're going to title the file, enter catalog, and I always put my description here. Now you want to put a robust description about your company because I believe this is what's the searchable part of your stuff right here. The type is promotional or marketing. You can see this is a catalog, a lookbook, or a brochure. Okay, so we want to click on promotional and marketing. That's really the only thing that you actually need to do. And we're going to go ahead and hit publish now. Oh, it's not ready. It's just taking a second to upload. When it's ready, we will come over here and add links in media. We'll be able to add all of our links to that. So hold on one second while it uploads. So now we have our catalog here, and we're going to hit publish. And let's see. Nope, we're going to go back to our publication list. Click on your catalog. Okay, so we want to add links, and it's actually going to take us way down here. And add links. Okay, so now it's going to show you every page of your catalog. So you want to make sure that your link is on every single page of your catalog. So click on each booklet will have 2 pages. So see this little plus sign right here? What I want you to do is right click and you pull a box to match something on the page, and then put your website in there and hit done. Okay, and then you're going to want to do that for each page like that, right? I just copy and paste, makes it easier. Hit save, and then next page. Okay, and then if there's pricing on the page, that's where I put my information. Just makes it where, you know, they would be looking at product information. I want my link there. So save, go to the next page, and then you can literally do whatever you want here. So anyways, that's how you do it. Okay, and then you hit save, and then you can hit view and reader. And then if you hit, so you can see that my link shows up like that. So basically you hit the share button, and you want to share it from the cover, not a certain page, and then hit copy, and then you can go like this. Hold on. Copy, paste it, that link, and it's gonna pop up for, this is what your customers would see. Lots of fun.